Where does the name for Penmaen-bach come from? So today I'm on a hill again between Conwy and Dwy in Conwy County in North Wales, and this hill behind me is called Penmaen-bach. Now it's probably more recognisable to people from down there, which is where the A55 goes through a tunnel, and people beat their horns twice going through the tunnel to commemorate the lives of two miners who died during its construction. Anyway, let's get into the name. So the name can be broken down into two parts. First we have Penmaen, which is a promontory or a headland, and that's a bit like a mountain or a hill that sticks out into the sea. That itself can be broken down into pen, which means head, and maen, which means stone. And then we have bach, which means small. Now, why is it bach? Well, there's another one, a Penmaen-mawr, slightly further down the coast, which is a bit bigger than this one. Now there is a bit of a strange story associated with Penmaen-bach, and that's to do with the apparent suicide of Lady Violet Gordon Charlesworth. Now, back in 1909, on a dark, stormy night, I like to think, her car was found hanging over the edge of the road where the A55 is now. Now, people thought she'd killed herself, but upon investigation, it turned out she'd faked her own death to avoid debt that she owed. She'd been pretending that she was about to inherit a vast sum of money from distant relatives in order to take out loans to fund her crazy lifestyle in Rhyl. Now, she was found in Oban in Scotland eventually and arrested for this. After a couple of years, she was released, and then she actually did disappear. She probably emigrated to somewhere like Australia or Canada, but nobody really knows. And they say her ghost haunts payday loan applications to this very day. So the name means the little headland, as opposed to the big one, which is Penmaen-mawr, which is behind me over here somewhere. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe. I really appreciate all of it. And if you want to support me on my quest, nay, my pilgrimage, to explain every place name in Wales and a few outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Anyway, diolch. Have a good one.